welcome everybody to the Knowledge Series. We're going to be doing several articles and blogs and videos on these 9 activities within Archibus. We believe that Archibus is a single platform that can actually take any disaster from beginning to end, from identification all the way through reoccupation of a site or a building. And with that, I have with us the Workplace Maven Alliance, which consists of Infinaris, Online FM, Robotech, CAD Solutions, IMS Consulting, RSC, and all 5 of us are certified Archibus business partners. This infographic shows us the 9 modules or activities within Archibus that we believe can provide probably the only solution in the world that can take a disaster from beginning to end, starting with 1 all the way through 9. Enterprise Asset Management module is actually a very deep and wide application. And for remote employees, this module can be used to track, do they have an ergo chair at home? Do they even have a desk at home? Are they working on their couch or on their bed, or are they kitchen table? And the asset tracking module, we can determine whether I had to order a monitor for them. Do they have webcams? Do they have the proper microphones? This also helps you collect the assets should the person move on to another job outside the organization. And you can also check, see things that they have proper Wi-Fi.
I think that's a great point, Bob. Equipment, and did we have to buy anything for them for their home? Something you can also do if you're tracking your furniture within Archibus Asset Management. Do you have surplus that maybe you can send home to employees? So being able to keep track of what you have and where it is in your organization, if it's available, maybe you can save money while at the same time getting stuff out of surplus, be able to help employees as they work from home. Thanks for watching and listening to us. Thanks for being a part of this and allowing us to be a part of your day-to-day.